so many projects which he wants to work, but obviously he needs team of great kids like him. So then build up those team building skills and have some project, tangible project to show others, look, this is what we achieved, and then the opportunity will come to you. Thank you very much. Any questions? Excellent.
How would you explain in a specific, like if someone were to say, oh, I'm doing this job, how would you get them to apply like a project-based learning to that? Like if they're doing like a service job, or if they're doing like they're moving something, how would you get them to sort of apply like a project-based mindset?
First thing you need to do, you need to create your own project or ask somebody to give you idea. If you got nothing, like if I will be working with you, I'll just talk about what do you think, and when I go home I think when we ran a workshop on thinking and creativity and innovation, what we do, we give them a say, look in your home and see what is the thing where you say, what if we have this, and that is your project. For example, it can be anything. One of my kids was working with every time my mom something put in the microwave, she get it boiled. I want to create something which doesn't happen. She doesn't have to clean it if she forget about it. So he's working on timer, he's working off a small sensor, look at the eye, if something goes apart. So this is how you start with. It doesn't have to be huge, but you start with something which you think there's no solution around. So that's the first thing he did. Did anybody done this before? No? Then he look around and then he say, okay. And then he started with a small smart lid. Then he started with, now he's working with a sensor attached to it and give an alarm that something coming up. And he said later he can connect to the microwave, so automatically turn it off. So this is work in progress. But if even the middle people, some people just like the idea, they say, look, great. And he made a little video on it. Now he's looking for a partner who knows a bit about electrical stuff. Hope I did answer your thing. But you can't ask for somebody to give you a job or a project while you're learning.
Did I answer your question?
If I'll be, I'll say, I will not say teacher or something, Guru, I want to work on something, can you give me? He's got a lot of projects for you to, which are add-on. He already built, you can just say, look, I want to enhance it.
I have a question.
Yeah.
I'm not even in the class. Is that alright?
Go ahead.
My question is about the relationship between robotics and advanced manufacturing. So we're hearing lots that there's a huge change in advanced manufacturing in the area and there'll be new opportunities. So what's the relationship with I suppose robotics with advanced manufacturing and warehousing as well, I suppose, the sort of two areas?
Great question, and frankly speaking, I did not have an answer 30 seconds ago, but I'll look at it. If you list off things, how many things we overseas to get manufactured and they sell it back to us? So many. Coal, iron, so many things we send overseas because the cost of manufacturing is higher here. But think about if we create something which is feasible to manufacture here cost-wise, we can bring those things back. And how much we save many ways. Jobs, no transportation, no logistic, the dollar we save, and what she said, manufacturing is the one area since 70s they got a robotic shop. And this is unlimited. Because if I think of an idea, this will be what he said about maintenance and all that. If I think of an idea in robotics, the first thing we think of, because robot, what they do, they repeat things quickly according to your orders. That's all they do, which is manufacturing is all about. So mostly jobs I have seen, what was the old thing we used to say, automation engineer. That will be renamed now robotic engineer. So you can serve to a country in a great way if you just focusing on manufacturing. That is required mostly electrical, mechanical skills, programming skills, and designing skills. If you have 4 of them, you can build anything. And think of so many things. I built small thing for a farm. There was a guy losing cattle. Something happened to the cattle. He wants self-sustained thing, so we use solar, means electrical. We build up automated gates, automated turning on electric things. So we did it. It's 3 months, and so now he's thinking to add more cattle there. Means more money for the country. All right. But if I send a coal and they build something and send it back to us in a premium cost, all right. And the other good thing with Australia is what I see. Those countries running out of space, and we got heaps of space, and we got a great sun. If you go to the red part of Australia, sorry I took it too long to answer, but that's the.
No, it's good.
Actually, still, if I can sort of stop now, kindly you missed our future jobs videos about manufacturing. There was actually, we had examples of the robots building, actually bricklaying and things like
Isn't
that.
there a Star Robot?
That's very, so it was like, so you had robots building, putting down the bricks. Yeah, it's amazing, isn't it? Just to think how far we're going to come, and this is going to be in your, like this is an option for all of you. So you all look like you're ready for fresh air, though.
Yeah, sure.
Yes. Okay, Ali, so how about
Yeah.
when you finish?
Yeah, I'm done. Any question?
No, that was
Still
really good.
recording?
Well, okay, so in this case, we'll stop at this. So thank you very much, Ali.
No worries. Thank you for you guys.
That is, and we should also something from us, from Tate.
Wow, really much
like a small
appreciated.
thing. And it just this is not
No, it's okay.
we have to get organized.
I don't expect that because you all look after me.
Really
I mean, I'm looking for. I'm very
Yes, so
excited.
thank you very much for getting the time
No
for us
problem.
and doing that. Unfortunately, we can't shake hands, so.
Very
But guys, I wanted to sort of use this opportunity because we've got a few minutes left before the break, and because at this stage we are playing with robots and we are doing different kind of robots with this Lego, and you just think that, oh, that is just a toy and then something like that. I would like you to show you 2 videos that you will perhaps change your mind about Lego and what could be done with it. Yes, so they are short videos, but
The Lego is a great. I mean, I can't believe we are working on a project right now where we're going to teach this in a remote and use software where we can't reach and they don't have much resources. So we are doing that right now. And what he did there, I did that 2 weeks ago. One guy put on a shop. That's the same thing. The owner said it'll be nice if somebody doesn't do that. So it just put an alarm on. He started with the alarm, so he senses person passed, and there was this area not being detected. He said, please make sure you do this. So these are small things, and he paid $250. Don't think too big. Just think small first, and then keep building upon it, and then things will happen. Same like when you were like little, we knew after 17 years you'll be like smart like now. But if that age you keep thinking about when I'm gonna have a fully automated factory, that's not gonna happen. So small project, build upon, show it to him, show it to other, and you will see exciting things happen. All good? Thank you very much once again.
guys, this video, it is short video, but I really would like you to see this video, and you will change perception about Lego. You will actually think about Lego in very different way after seeing that video.